Now that the hood's up, we're going to continue on by touching the radiator cap and making sure that it's not hot. If it's hot, you definitely don't want to open it. Now that we're sure that it's not hot, we want to make sure that we've got gloves on, eye protection, press down, turn it counterclockwise. Should release, lift up and away from your face, compare it to your new one. This looks great. Let's go ahead and install this now. Press it down, turn it clockwise until it completely stops. This should align with the vent like it says. Perfect.